Factor through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Out there, 3 of them tonight. This division is designed for kids under the age of 13. Stephen Lusher, he's in the 10 car. Cody Duncan, he's in the 115. Braden Mills in the 30 car. Green flag is out. The 30 car takes the lead down the front straightaway into turn number 1. Coming around a complete lap, number 1, the 30 car of Braden Mills is going to lead that first lap, followed by the 115 of Cody Duncan. He's going to look into the inside there in turn number 1, the 30 car of Mills will have the run down the back straightaway. The 10 car of Lusher's right there waiting to pounce on the top 2. Coming around a complete lap, number 2, this time by, I believe it'll be 3 to go. Looking back to the inside right there, battle for the lead briefly. It looks like the 30 car of Mills had a good back straightaway, but he's going to slide up out of 4. That's going to give the 115 car a run down the front straightaway. We got the white flag that time by coming around. Look at the 115, looking to the inside, trying to complete the pass down the back straightaway. They're side by side going into turn number 3. Coming around for the final time. Look at the 115 of Duncan. Mills, side-by-side photo finish. Give it to the 30 car of Mills, followed by Duncan, and Lusher will finish 3rd. What a race out of your mini wedge right there. That's a great way to start off the night here at Beckley Motor Speedway. All righty, give it up for your winner right there, the 30 car of Braden Mills. He's out of Sophia, West Virginia. They're going to get the trophy down there. They got the victory lane sign, the checkered flag, getting ready to hop out of the car. There he comes. There he is. Y'all give it up for your winner, Braden Mills. Got a checker flag out there. He'll get a couple of victory lane pictures. That trophy's about half the height of him. Right there, that's a big old trophy. Taller than a race car.